Hi everyone, welcome to Anaheim Park Tourist. Today we're going to be giving you a room tour here at the Candlewood Suites in Anaheim. We booked a 1-queen bedroom suite here and we're going to give you a room tour. Candlewood Suites is located at 1733 South Anaheim Boulevard in Anaheim. It is a 1 mile or 1.6 kilometer or about 20-minute walk to the gates of Disneyland. Candlewood Suites is rated number 13 out of 125 hotels in Anaheim on TripAdvisor. At the time of filming, parking is $17.55 a day. We paid for this room out of our own pocket. Right when you walk in is the kitchen, and it's a full kitchen. It's got a microwave, 2 burners, a full-size dishwasher, and a full-size refrigerator. Plus it comes with place settings for 4, all kinds of utensils, cookware, plates. They even provide paper cups for coffee if you want to take it with you on your walk to Disneyland. The refrigerator has a freezer and there is a coffee pot also. On this side is a full pantry, which if you are staying here long term is a great place to store all of your food if you're going to be cooking in the room. This is a desk/table to eat. I really like that there's this option here in the room, and this chair does have wheels like a desk chair, and on the other side the chairs do not. This is the living room, and there's a recliner that folds almost flat, so I would guess if our children were with us, one of them would want to sleep in the recliner. And then the couch is a double sofa bed. There's a TV tray for the recliner, and then it's coffee table as well. What is nice here is the windows do open so you can get in a little bit of fresh air, and the AC unit is here, and when we came in the room it was on and it was very quiet. We pulled out the bed and you can feel the springs a lot, so we would just recommend this for smaller children. If you do have someone sleeping in the living room, we would use this area here for their clothing. We love that the bedroom has a door, so it's very private, and then another aspect of that we really like is that you're separated more from the hallway noise, so if anyone's loud in the hallway, there's an extra door kind of blocking that noise for you when you're sleeping. This is the main bedroom in the room, and on each side of the bed is a light, and it has 2 outlets and 2 USBs, and then on this side there's an alarm clock, and it has 4 USBs and 3 regular outlets. Each part of the nightstand has a big drawer, and then underneath is open storage. This dresser has 3 nice big deep drawers, and the window in this room also opens if you want to get some fresh air. We really like that they added this additional shelf in this room, and it's open underneath, so if you do plan on removing your items from your suitcase, you could store your suitcases under there as well. Up next is the closet. There's hanging storage. They provide a laundry basket and a nice big safe. One thing we did notice in this room, there are no luggage racks in the room. So I think the idea here is to use all the available storage in the dressers and the closets. Right when you open the front door, there's a nice big closet. It has lots of hangers, the extra bedding for the hide-a-bed, an ironing board, and an iron. I always love when a room has hooks like this because it's an easy place for me to hang my purse and our jackets, our hoodies. It's quick, it's easy, and you don't have to go into a closet for it. The bathroom here is really spacious. I was shocked how spacious this bathroom is. I love that they have towel rack, and they also have some additional hooks and even a shelf to put your toiletries up on so the counter doesn't get all cluttered up. That was a really nice touch that we don't see very often in bathrooms, and I just love how spacious this is and you don't feel crammed in. Also love the countertops in the kitchen and the bathroom. They're a quartz counter. It is a tub shower combo here, and the shower head is quite tall. I'm 5'9", and they do offer Dove body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. Be on the lookout for our overnight experience at this hotel coming soon. If you're looking for a similar room type in the Anaheim area, please click the link here. Thank you so much for watching.